How to buy EST and start earning passive income. Log into your eEstate account. Open the Real Estate section from the menu or dashboard. Select the property you want to purchase. Enter the investment amount. Click Buy Property to continue. Choose your payment method, the currency you wish to use for your purchase. Then click Pay Now to proceed. Review your details in the generated invoice. If everything is correct, sign the investment contract to continue to payment. Once you sign the contract, you'll see your payment details. Send the specified amount using the provided payment information. The purchase will be completed within a few minutes for USDT, USDC stablecoins, and up to 15 minutes for other cryptocurrencies. Your property will instantly appear on your My Assets page under My Tokenized Real Estate. There, you can open and save the link to your smart contract, confirming your ownership. You can also download your investment contract, which ensures full legal protection. In the same section, you'll find the profit history for this asset. eEstate. Invest smarter today.